The day you have finally been waiting for. The day is finally here, guys. A Bitcoin ETF is finally getting approved after all these years. We could see right here 11 spot Bitcoin ETF tickers are currently being added to the Bloomberg terminal as pending listing. Trading will be ready to go shortly after approval, and we could see right here that Bitcoin has been pumping. A lot of volatility has been exploding. We should expect an official announcement within the next couple of hours after the stock trading hours. And we could see right here, why is this bullish? Well, first of all, what's very bullish about this is not only do we have bullish news, but we have a golden cross on the weekly time frame. This is the first ever golden cross on the weekly time frame. So a golden cross is when you have the 50 moving average flipping over the 200 moving average, and that is a very, very bullish sign. And we could see Bitcoin really take it to the next level very, very soon. So that's what's happening right now on Bitcoin. Things are looking pretty great right here on the 1 hour time frame. We had a beautiful V recovery shape. Right now we're currently coming back down, retesting that 50 moving average. I think we're going to bounce back up, and shortly when the ETF news come out, I think we're going to have a pump followed by a dump followed by a pump again. So a lot of people need to be careful over here, because yes, even though there's a lot of excitement right now, you need to understand that if you are a trader, especially a derivatives trader, I would highly be careful with what's about to happen. A lot of people will get liquidated, and if we look real quick on CoinGlass, we could see that there's going to be a lot of liquidation. There was a massive one yesterday. This was the fake ETF news happened. We saw one right here all the way to $48,000, peaked all the way down to $44,766, and that trade liquidated $90 million worth of trade. So you guys are going to need to be careful, because things are going to get very heated. So we can see right here, this is the liquidation map right here. Nothing too crazy. Of course, if we have a liquidation heat map, you could see that there is a lot of liquidity right here that needs to be grabbed, sitting at 46,800, which we are about to be we're currently traded at 46,263, and of course right here, so nothing too crazy overall. Things are looking fantastic, guys, for BTC. We had a lot of shorters right here at 46,771. We don't really have a lot. It seems like we need to come back down and grab some liquidity around this area right here, but of course we're gonna have to see what happens. You guys need to be careful. You need to be careful, because things will go crazy essentially. So that's my video, guys, on Bitcoin. Obviously altcoins are doing pretty good. Something that I do want to talk about first is the Bitcoin dominance. So I know a lot of people think that this is ultra bullish news, that there's a Bitcoin ETF and everything, and yes, it is. I'm not gonna lie, Bitcoin ETF is very bullish. Okay, I'm not saying it's not bullish, but in the short term we could see mass volatility, and we could see a huge dump. Yes, a huge dump to $39,000. Okay, so this is something that you need to be careful. And the Bitcoin dominance, obviously, when we see the Bitcoin dominance go down, that's when you see more money going into altcoins. Obviously, it's very bullish. Last week, we saw the altcoins bleeding. Earlier this week, we saw altcoins bleeding. Now, of course, a lot of money is flowing back into altcoins. A lot of money is moving Bitcoin. We could see right now, Ethereum is freaking pumping right now, sitting at 2,464. So looking pretty darn good, in my opinion. Ethereum is looking pretty juicy right here. We're gonna have to see what the next big move for ETH will be, but overall this is looking juicy right here. I think we could see a huge pump to 2,600 on Ethereum, and that's about it. Bitcoin, it seems like we're coming back down, attempting to correct right here. On the 5-minute time frame, we were sitting on a triangle. So let me show you guys a triangle that I was talking about right here. So this was the triangle right here, and of course we did have a nice little breakout. It was a fake out, came back down, came back up, and of course now we're coming back down. So you guys can see right here, there's a lot of volatility happening on BTC. You guys are going to need to be careful, because like I said, a lot of people will get liquidated and things can go crazy. Now, the big question that everyone is asking, can this be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing? It seems like it. Now that everything has officially been announced without officially being announced, it seems like we could see a massive pump right when it gets announced. 2 minutes later, a massive dump. So that's what I think will happen. You guys need to be careful. Once again, that is my video. Obviously exciting for the future. We could definitely see Bitcoin go to 250, 300, 400, even $500,000 in the next couple of years. So I'm very excited for that. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.